right, another one. Build a tower from household objects taller than yourself. Ooh. All right, that's fun. And I am tall, very tall, so it should be very hard. I think. Let's go! This is gonna be an amazing tower. There's like stuff over here. That's kind of solid. It's a nice tower. I could do this. Is that taller? It's still not taller than me. God damn it. All right, let's see. What if we get like this? Look at this. Is that taller than me? Okay, but does it stand on its own? That's the question. Nope. God damn it. I've committed to this idea already, and I'm not letting it go. There we go. That's taller than me, because I'm tall. There we go. Task done. Oh shit!
Okay.
I'm still counting it.